Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a submission to Jazza Draws, or Jazza, just on YouTube. I do acrylic pours mainly on this channel. I do a little bit of kind of travelling as well, so I have that on my channel. But yeah, I do acrylic pours, abstract art, but I went a little bit big and beyond for this video. I have done this before, kind of smaller scale, smaller canvas, but there was 4 of them, I think, or yeah, 4 of them, I'm pretty sure. Bad memory. But a bigger canvas, the top and bottom ones are 16 by 16 inches. I'm not sure how big the big one is, but it's bigger than 16 by 16. But yeah, this is my submission to getting on Jazza's channel. I am a small YouTuber. I'm sitting at 1600 subs right now. But yeah, this is all the supplies I'm going to be using. I normally use a mixture of Floetrol and like PVA and other stuff, but I'm just going to use Floetrol for this. I'm using gold, turquoise, Mars black, white, grey, yeah, and just little drops of silicone and a little source of heat, and then that's all you need. So yeah, let's get to it. I just want to add in to this video that I will be using clamps for this, just 4 little ones like this. I think they were like €3 for 2 or 4, I think it was actually, so they're pretty cheap, they won't last long. Like they're already starting to break already, but they'll get the job done. Yeah, so I'll just clamp them together and then we can start mixing the paint and stuff like that. So for the second time, let's get to it. Okay, so we're all done. It's been a couple of days now. I had a bit of a mess up, and I'm gonna show you how I fixed it. A new dryer came the other day, and I had not packing peanuts, but I had foam on the side, and I threw it on the ground here, but it glided through the air like a paper airplane and landed. I had the middle one here, this one, on a table, still drying. It was still kind of wet, and it landed right on top of it, and I was just like, oh my god, ruined. How am I going to make this video now? So I'll show you the little mess up. It is right there. Let me see if I can get it close up. It's right there, there's little bits there and there. But I tried this new technique where you trace around like a certain colour. I traced around the gold, kind of showing it off, and it completely hides it. Like, so if you make a mess up when you're doing this type of art, just trace around the colours and it'll fix it really, like. Yeah, so I want to thank Jazza for giving me the opportunity for this contest to kind of put me out of my comfort zone a little bit. Like, I wanted to do a video like this for so long and just didn't have the confidence, I guess, to do it. Like, normally I just do a video and pop it out and it's gone, but like, after putting a whole lot more thought into this video, which is what I wanted to do, like, but never could do it. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.